It's not. Too late. Oh, that'd be our ball, our ball, our ball. Yeah, good call. Yeah, they're slashing. They're coming to the boards on our wings. We don't get used to that. We just need to block out. You just gotta have body on somebody. I like it when teams come to the board. We don't do that very well. Come on, Adam. That's a walk. Oh, nice catch. Oh. When you're going to call a foul, you're not going to call a foul. See, there's that wing killing. We got to get over there. Oh, you just stay back. This is Jack. Post up. You got a guy who's 3 inches shorter than you. Whoa. He almost lost it.
They're screaming down there.
Get big. That was a good look right there. And a cheap one. See that wing? See how they cut around our wings to get the easy rebound? And it's just, that's a tough block out, don't get me wrong. It's not like, oh God, I could do that every day. It's the toughest block out on the court. But when we don't do it at all, it's like, it really looks bad. And if I was coaching against a 2-3 like that, that's what I'd be saying. Shoot the ball, we'll go get it. That's just a glorified pass. Get open, get open. Does it seem like Jack like a little late cutting to the basket? Does he look like he's a little late cutting to the basket?
Watch out! Good job,
Oh, get it. Pick it up, Adam. Yeah, nice. Throw it down, Ryan. Oh, he missed that. Little hand on it. Foul. Whoa. You got fouled on that last one. High dribbler. There's the wing again. See? It's like there's no reason for Malcolm to be out that high. He needs to be back on the baseline. Because that's what just coming around. That'll break an ankle right there. See, now that score feels right to me. It didn't feel right at 9-9.
Here, Adam, we need that.
Put it up, baby.
Adam.
Oh!
Again.
Again!
Adam.
Yeah! Patting his rebounding stats. Adam, the leading rebounder on Triumph.
Somebody's patting their stats.
Exactly. See, there's that wing again. That's a good foul to give right there.
They're going to keep doing that wing every time they get a chance.
Well, we just see him coming around the back, Why is Jack mad? I don't know why he's mad. He didn't want to come out?
Looks like it's kind of pretty long.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
You got to get down there.
He's got that heavy breathing. Yeah, good foul. See, good foul. He was all right.
Good job. Kind of mad.
He did. He plays better sometimes when he's mad, though. I used to take him out in the driveway and just pound on him. I get him so frustrated. It's like, well, playing in the game was a lot easier than playing against you in the driveway. And our passing's got to get better. Number one is anticipating every one of our passes. Come on, man. Oh! Where did that come from? That was a line drive, man. Nice. I love watching Adam dribble through that trailer.
Adam, watch out.
Make them pay, baby. Make them pay.
What? He gets the score.
What?
I swear they've missed a ton, and they gave it to the wrong team.
Wrong way.
Are we not the home team? We're the Gas. We are the Gas, you're right. I swear I don't think that score is anywhere near right. Right to him. Go get him, Malcolm. Way to hang on to it.
Okay, guys.
Yeah! Oh, he got fouled. I thought the whistle was for us. That would have been the easiest three-point play you'd see. Man, he is out there, way out there. He walked, good call. got to keep on 5 here. Oh no! Come on, man. Call a foul then. That's a ridiculous call. Just give us the ball. We don't need that. It's coming. 15 will not go to the hoop. Biggest kid on the floor, and he's just happy to stand there. Oh, now he's going to go. Nice. Little OC. Oh, almost. Can do about anything he wants because they're never going to call a foul on him. 5 going from downtown. Oh, we're shooting. Doesn't go, that's bad, but it will. I can't believe he's giving it up. That's 5's range out there, man. 5's only the one that's got the range.